name is Feline. Welcome back to Smarty Fun channel. Today I am going to make chocolate truffle. Here are the ingredients. We have 1 cup of choco powder, 1 cup of Milo, and 1 cup of condensed milk. Let's get started. Put the condensed milk in the pot. Put the chocolate powder . And then add the Milo. Keep on stirring until it's properly mixed. Put the Milo into the container and strain. Then put the mixture in the container. Then garnish with Milo. Then put inside the fridge for 3 hours, or you can have it overnight. Let's check if it's okay now. Ta-da! It's all ready! Fire. Bye guys! I hope you'll learn something in this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and turn on the notification bell button